The OnePlus 12R, a $500 smartphone with flagship-like features, has made its debut in the US. It's a welcome addition to the mid-range market, offering stiff competition to the Samsung Galaxy A54 and Google Pixel 7a. These phones each provide a unique solution to the question: what is indispensable in a smartphone? What do you retain when you can't have everything? Perhaps you can't compromise on wireless charging, or you prioritize water resistance and a large screen, or maybe a high-end processor for long-lasting speed is your preference. The good news is, you now have options. With more choices available, you can afford to be selective. Discover how this $500 powerhouse is shaking up the mid-range market, challenging giants like Samsung and Google. Dive into our comprehensive review and find out why choice has never been more beautiful. Don't miss out. Here's a rundown of the OnePlus 12R's pros and cons. Pros: impressive, large display. Superior processor. High-quality construction. Cons: absence of wireless charging. Ineffective 2-megapixel macro camera. Only splash-resistant. The OnePlus 12R boasts a 6.78-inch display, larger than the 6.1-inch Pixel 7a and 6.4-inch Galaxy A54 screens. The resolution is slightly above 1080p, providing ample pixel density for such a large display. It features a maximum refresh rate of 120 Hz, utilizing low-temperature polycrystalline oxide (LTPO) technology to reduce the rate to 1 Hz when necessary. This variable refresh rate, more common in flagship phones, contributes to battery efficiency. The screen's maximum brightness of 4,500 nits may seem extreme, especially when most phone screens peak between 1,000 and 2,000 nits. However, it's not as overwhelmingly bright as it sounds, and it's sufficient for comfortable outdoor use in sunny conditions, a rarity for budget phones. There have been occasional reports of screen flicker, but OnePlus claims this is an isolated issue. Under the hood, the 12R is equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, last year's flagship chipset, and comes with either 8 or 16 gigabytes of RAM. This powerful chipset, which powered most of last year's $1,000 Android flagships, ensures smooth performance for everyday tasks and intensive applications alike. In terms of design and software, the OnePlus 12R exudes a premium feel with its sturdy aluminum frame and glass back panel, both of which are uncommon in this price range. The front panel is made of Gorilla Glass Victus 2, adding to its high-end appeal. However, it's worth noting that the 12R has an IP64 rating, meaning it's dustproof but only resistant to water spray and splashes. In contrast, the Pixel 7a and Galaxy A54 have IP67 ratings, indicating they can withstand brief immersion in water. While the 12R certainly looks and feels like a high-end phone, it may not perform as well under adverse conditions. The OnePlus 12R's signature 3-stage mute switch, a convenient feature for quickly adjusting volume, is a notable inclusion. However, the phone's curved edges may not appeal to everyone. They can make the device feel somewhat slippery and occasionally cause menu options to seemingly vanish off the screen's side. While flat edges on phones are currently regaining popularity, this is a matter of personal preference. One area where the OnePlus 12R falls short is the lack of wireless charging, despite supporting rapid wired charging up to 80 watt for the US version. While wireless charging isn't a standard feature in $500 phones, it is available on the Pixel 7a. It may not be essential for all, but the flexibility of wireless charging is a desirable feature for many. The OnePlus 12R comes with the company's version of Android 14, Oxygen OS 14, which is straightforward and user-friendly. The company promises 3 years of OS upgrades and 4 years of security support for the 12R. While this isn't the best support policy in the market, it should suffice for the typical lifespan of the phone. In terms of camera and image quality, the OnePlus 12R performs admirably under normal conditions. The stabilized 50-megapixel main camera produces detailed images with vibrant colors in its standard 1x shooting mode. The 2x setting, which is digital zoom rather than lossless crop zoom, is surprisingly effective. The camera performs well even in dim indoor lighting, capturing sharp photos with fast enough shutter speeds to freeze action. However, the 5x zoom setting falls short, producing images that appear smeared due to up-resed digital zoom processing. The phone's portrait mode is commendable, and OnePlus wisely restricts it to the 1x zoom setting. The OnePlus 12R is a much-needed mid-range contender in the US market. Despite lacking some features found in its competitors, such as wireless charging and robust water resistance, it offers enough to be a viable alternative to the Pixel and Galaxy models. The 12R stands out for its large, high-quality screen, which is rare in a $500 phone sold in the US. Its overall build quality is on par with the best, and the decision to use Qualcomm's previous-gen flagship chipset is a smart one, offering better long-term prospects than the Tensor and Exynos chips in its competitors. While the Pixel 7a may still be the preferred choice for photo quality, the OnePlus 12R holds its own, even outperforming the Pixel in some scenarios, such as the 2x zoom setting. However, the 7a provides a more consistent camera experience overall. The Galaxy A54, with its larger screen and superior water resistance, is another worthy contender, despite missing out on wireless charging and lacking the 12R's finesse with its composite frame. The OnePlus 12R may not be the right choice for everyone, but that's perfectly fine. It doesn't need to be a one-size-fits-all device because consumers now have a variety of options to choose from. And there you have it. We've delved into the world of the OnePlus 12R, a game-changer in the mid-range smartphone market. From its impressive display to its robust performance, it's clear that this device offers exceptional value. Remember, in today's tech landscape, choice is your greatest asset. Stay tuned for more insightful reviews and remember to make the choice that best suits your needs. Until next time, keep exploring the world of technology with us. Peace out.